Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check TikTok version. So for this, just open the TikTok app on this Android device. So now what to do, just go in the profile icon is the right below. So from the here, just go in the top right corner of three lines of settings. And just click to settings and privacy. So from the here you will just scroll down in the last, and in the last you will be see the version. So this is v36.0.2 version of TikTok. So if you want to update your TikTok version, you will go back and just open the Play Store and just update the TikTok app. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.